I just got this. This is for chlorine tablets. You put them in the pool. On the bottom of it, it has this little piece that you can shut it off so that nothing drifts out. You could do a little bit or you could do full. I usually leave it on full. On the top, you've got this little thing here. It turns and it pops off. And if you notice, look, you've got these little tabs here and here. And then in this, you've got a tab here and a tab there. All right, so you've got to look to see where the holes are. And then you kind of match these tabs up. You see it like that? You got to get it down. And then you're going to turn it clockwise to lock it. And then to unlock it, you turn it this way. It doesn't have very far to go. So, you know, just make sure you get it on there. And then once it's on both sides, you twist it. And then it should stay there. But then again, if you don't, it'll just pop off. So it doesn't have a long ways to go, you know what I mean? Like I go in there and I just twist it. Watch how much I do it. Oops, that's no good. So here's the hole here, right? So we gotta match that up. Get it down. Now watch how much it turns. That's it. That's all you need. All right, let's go put some chlorine in this and we'll throw it in the pool and make sure it's open like that. Yeah, let's do it. All right, so anyway, I use this so I don't get the chlorine on my hands. And you can wear a mask, but I just kind of hold my breath, you know what I mean? So, yeah, so I'm ready to go. All right, so I'm just gonna set this down. I've got to open this up to get to my chlorine tablets. All right. So anyway, these are the ones that I use. They're basically Clorox, and when you open this thing up, man, you can really smell it. So what we want to do is we want to get our top off, right? All right, so I'm going to hold it with my feet and twist it because I'm like filming with one hand. All right, so there's our top, right? Now we just got to put our chlorine in there. So I'm just going to grab two. And drop them in, just like that. And then we'll get our top, put it on. I'm holding my breath. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's do it. All right, here we go. And then I just put it in the pool. But before I do that, I want to make sure that this is open on the bottom. So I'm just going to twist it like that. See, now it's ready to go. Just set her in there. Bam, done. Water seeps in and it just kind of floats around and disperses the chlorine. And Bob's your uncle. And now we can get this one out of here. This one's all rotted. It's falling apart. So that's that. Throw that in the garbage. There's our new one. There's our old one. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.